Hello! In this video, we will tell you and show you how to use the PL-1 sharpening system from our exclusive combo tool set. Place the knife sharpener on a flat, hard surface. Lock the knife in the machine's clamps so that it is securely fastened and does not move during sharpening. Set the necessary angle for sharpening on the machine. To do this, use the included angle indicator. Turn on the angle gauge and set it to 0 position and 0 it. After that, place the PDTools Superabrasive stone in the clamps on the guide rail. Place the zeroed angle gauge on the special platform. Use the fine angle control mechanism to adjust the angle you need according to the knife manufacturer's recommendations. Next, select the appropriate stone with grit of PDTools Superabrasive for sharpening. Depending on the condition of the knife, for example, start with a coarser stone to repair damage and then move to a finer one for polishing. Holding the machine and knife steady, start moving the guide with the stone along the blade with a light to gentle force evenly distributed along the entire length of the knife's cutting edge. Repeat this process for each grit-sized stone to obtain a smoother, sharper cutting edge, rotating the knife periodically. After sharpening is complete, clean the stones from abrasive residue and dirt with the special cleaning spray provided with the combo tools. We are confident that these steps will help you to use the PL-1 handheld knife sharpener properly. Be sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions and perform sharpening with care to avoid injury.